barbecued butter, compound butter, flavoured butter, call it what you like. This is a griller's magic ingredient. Bold flavours in an instant. This time of year just ain't barbecue season for an old geezer like me. Just look at it out there. I'm in the kitchen, preparing for those warm sunny days, with the smell of barbecue cooking wafting all over the patio. I'm making barbecued butter with a nod to Mediterranean flavours. Just look at the ingredients.
250 grams of unsalted butter, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of harissa paste, 100 grams of sun-dried tomatoes, 2 anchovies and 6 pitted olives. I'm using my food processor. If you haven't got one, you could smash it all together in a mortar and pestle. With the food processor running, in goes the garlic. Let the machine chop it a bit. Now the sun-dried tomatoes are getting the chop. When they're done, it's the turn of the olives and finally 2 anchovies. Stop the Magimix, add the butter and the harissa paste, lid on and whiz again until everything is combined. I'm laying a piece of kitchen parchment paper onto the worktop. Scrape a good dollop of butter onto the parchment.
Wrap the parchment over the butter and with the straight edge slide into a roll. I could have done with a bigger straight edge, but this ruler was all I could find.
Transfer to cling film and wrap and store in the freezer.
Before it goes into the freezer, I can't wait to taste it. So with it spread on a cracker, here goes. It's garlicky, silky and indulgent, oozing Mediterranean sunshine, filling my mouth with a flavour that whisks me off to one of those harbourside restaurants, barbecuing pork, chicken, fish, and serving it with a crispy salad and a glass of wine.
With another dollop of butter, fold the parchment over and roll the butter into a sheet. This will go over a dish of potato wedges on the warming rack, infusing its delicious Mediterranean flavour as it melts.
So you want to know more about these amazing butters? Then here's what you do. Just click that button, activate and ding the bell, and whatever you want to know, put it in the community box below. Now, here's a butter with a totally different flavour, and just 2 ingredients, butter and Stilton.
Chuck it all into the food processor. Whiz it together until it's all combined. Roll it into a stick, transfer to cling film and into the freezer.
But first, a taste. It begins with a creamy, gentle flavour, but then the Stilton steps in, rich and full of umami, with a hint of black pepper. And then it all wraps up, clean and silky, whether you melt it onto a hot steak or a burger, or mix it into mashed potato, or spread it onto a warm sourdough. It's a taste that tells you it's there. If you've enjoyed watching this video, then give us a thumbs up. I do love to hear from my viewers, so just click that button and drop me a line. Well, that's all for this time. Join me next time for some great barbecue recipes. So from me, The old geezer who ain't at the grill, it's goodbye, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.